Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming essentials. Your device is unlocked, the Google app is installed, and you have space on the home screen. Once done, long press an empty area on the home screen to open the customization menu. Tap widgets next to wallpapers or home settings, then scroll through the list until you find the Google or search bar widget. This gets you right into the placement step. Make sure you use the launcher you prefer since some launchers hide widgets. Now drag the Google search widget to the spot where you want quick access. You can resize it by dragging its edges to fit one or more columns. This controls how much space it occupies and what shortcuts appear. Once placed, tap to confirm or let it snap automatically. Make sure you enable microphone access and any voice match or shortcut settings so voice search and quick actions work. This configuration step ensures the bar behaves as you expect. Finish by testing both text search and voice. Tap the bar and say a query to confirm functionality. If the widget won't appear, make sure the Google app is updated. Once updated, repeat widget placement. If problems continue, try switching to a different launcher temporarily to determine if the launcher prevents widgets. As a final troubleshooting tip, reboot the device or clear the Google app cache and data. This often restores widget availability without further steps.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.